Hi everyone, my name is Ramana Reddy and I'm a lawyer from Hyderabad. Today I wanted to talk to you about the limitation for to file a suit for recovery. So to take an example, let's say that you've supplied chairs to a customer worth 50 lakhs and that customer is not repaying you. What is the last date on which you can file your case against him? Because so the idea is, the law does not help people who sleep over their rights, which basically means, let's say a customer doesn't pay you today, you wake up 100 years later and you say that I want to file a case against him. The law is not going to be in your favor, simply because you've neglected your rights for 100 years. So why should the law protect you now? So the law provides for timelines within which you can file your cases for against people, and for all kinds of cases. In this particular video, we will be talking about the limitation for only for a suit for recovery of money. So you sold chairs, you're owed 50 lakhs. Till when can you file the case? So generally speaking, you have 3 years to file your suit for recovery. Now there are two questions. When does that 3-year period begin, and when does that 3-year period end? Now let's say in a case where so you supply chairs, you raise an invoice, and there's a 30-day period within which that person has to pay you. That means payment terms are just 30 days. So your right to sue will begin on the 31st day. So that will be the first day, and you'll have 3 years from that date to file your suit for recovery of money. If suppose that there is no date or there is no credit period that is provided, then it is the date on which the goods are delivered. From that date, you have 3 years to file your case for recovery. Probably a third scenario could be where you have given money in advance, and then later now you want your goods, and that person is not supplying you goods. Now you want your money back. Then in that case, the 3-year period will start on the date the goods ought to have been delivered. So from that date, you have 3 years to file your suit for recovery. So those are three scenarios, broadly speaking, from where from when the 3-year period starts, and the end of that period, or the end of the 3-year period, is the last date on which you will be able to file your recovery suit. If you miss the bus, then you will face consequences, and you will not be allowed to file your case. I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching.